Hey there, AutoCAD users! Today we're going to learn how to export a single layout as a PDF. It's a simple process, but it's essential for sharing your designs or creating professional-looking documents. 1. Navigate to the Layout tab. Start by clicking on the Layout tab located at the bottom left corner of your drawing area. 2. Access the Output options. Next, head to the Output tab at the top of the screen. 3. Initiate the plotting process. Click the Plot button on the Plot panel. 4. Choose a PDF preset. In the Printer Plotter section, select a PDF preset that suits your needs. You'll find various options to choose from. 5. Customize your preferences. Now take a moment to adjust any other preferences you may have, such as paper size, scale, and plot style. 6. Confirm your settings. Once you're satisfied, click the OK button at the bottom center of the window. 7. Specify a file name and location. Choose a suitable name for your PDF file and select a location where you want to save it. 8. Save your PDF. Finally, click the Save button to export your single layout drawing as a PDF file.